Columbia 400 holds the distinction of the world's fastest certified fixed-gear aircraft. November 333 X-Ray Charlie is an exceptional aircraft with a strong ramp appeal. With remarkable performance and design, it is one of the best handling aircraft in its class. It is powered by a Continental TSIO-550C 6-cylinder fuel-injected twin-turbocharged engine with dual intercoolers. It produces 310 horsepower and can cruise as high as 25,000 feet. November 333 X-Ray Charlie is equipped with a 4-place built-in oxygen system as well as air conditioning, so you and your passengers can fly in comfort to your destination. Supported by Textron Aviation, the Columbia 400 offers a stable ride, incredible speeds, and a safety-centric design. This aircraft also features synthetic vision, dual alternators and dual batteries, precise flight speed brakes, electric prop heat, Oregon Aero Seats, and Rosen Sun Visors. Direct response side stick control allows for a responsive feel and precise handling. Comfort, refinement, and luxury are the essential characteristics of November 333 X-Ray Charlie's interior. The exterior is white and blue, accented with silver stripes. There is plenty of room for luggage in the large, lockable baggage compartment, which is accessible through a rear exterior door. The extended hat rack allows room for golf clubs or aircraft supplies. Every element of the avionics has been designed to offer maximum reliability, safety, and situational awareness. November 333 X-Ray Charlie has a Garmin G1000 glass cockpit with the Garmin GFC 700 fully integrated autopilot. The aircraft also has the Garmin remote-mounted keypad, the Garmin control unit, which allows for direct entry of waypoints and frequently used functions of the G1000. The G1000 is equipped with the Garmin GTX 345 transponder, synthetic vision, dual WAAS GPS receivers, and 2 large high-resolution displays. The innovative design and the manufacturing process of the Columbia 400 give the pilot confidence and peace of mind. The fiberglass and carbon fiber construction greatly enhance structural integrity, while the laminar flow wings reduce drag and improve speed. The airplane features dual wing spars and an integrated carbon fiber roll cage for occupant protection. Due to the rigorous safety testing, this aircraft achieved a utility category certification from the FAA. November 333 X-Ray Charlie makes an excellent choice for the personal traveler who wants the freedom of fast speeds and long range, or for the business traveler in need of an asset to increase productivity. Experience the excitement of the Columbia 400. For more information or to schedule your private showing, contact High Performance Aviation at 866-227-8149 or visit flyhpa.com.